Hello everyone, I'm Coco the cat, and today we're going to celebrate the letter C. This is letter C, and letter C makes ka sound. C is for cat, just like me. Let's clap for C. Can you say C? C-A-T, cat. Cat starts with the ka sound. Look at this cake with candles and colorful frosting. What's your favorite kind of cake? C is for cake. Yum! Can you say ka-ka cake? The cake looks so colorful. Cars go vroom vroom. Let's pretend we are driving. Ready, set, go! And C is for car. Can you say ka-ka car? Look at all the places we can go in a car. Caterpillars crawl and love munching on leaves. Caterpillar starts with C. Ka-ka caterpillar. Look, it's a cup. We can use cups for lots of fun things. We can stack them or fill them with yummy treats. C is for cup, cup. Cups are great for drinking juice or milk. Now let's play a game. Find the word starting with C. Is it a car, a ball, or a cup? Excellent, you are right. A car and a cup starts with letter C. A ball starts with letter B. Thanks for exploring the letter C and its sound with me. Remember, C is for cake, cup, car, cat, caterpillar. Let's cheer for letter C.